Does your back feel unsteady when you bend or reach? I'm Grace. Today, the gentle bird dog to steady your lower back. Start on hands and knees, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Make your back long and flat like a tabletop. Gently draw your belly in. Reach your right arm and left leg out together. Keep your back flat, don't sink or arch. Breathe out as you reach, breathe in as you return. Now the other side, left arm, right leg. Keep your hips even, facing the floor. Find your balance a few more times. Sore wrists or knees. Rest a cushion underneath, no need to push. You're doing so well. Your back grows stronger. Tomorrow, gentle standing balance. See you then. Don't forget to subscribe.